Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cosplay as the old dress to impress plant. So I'm just going to go to the color wheel and I'm just going to type in FDC7E9, and then I'm going to go to the dresses here. We are going to be using the feather dress, and I am going to color the dress the same, make it matte and turn off the scales. Then for the green part, I'm just going to color A9, FFB5, and then we're just going to do the Cocoa pose from the winter pose pack. And that is how you can cosplay as a plant. Unfortunately, it doesn't exist anymore in Dress to Impress, so obviously you won't blend in with these plants, but I guess it's funny. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!